Well, I'm Chris, and this is my 78 280Z, and I bought the wide body kit for it. So this is the one they call the Rocket Bunny kit, but this is not a real Rocket Bunny. It's a fake one. I paid $1,600 total. Here's the eBay ad. This is the complete set that comes with the rear spoiler. So $1,600 shipping and everything to my house. They have one more of these. So I'm just making this video because when you first get your kit, you're gonna start sticking the pieces on and figuring out what you're gonna do. And this kit is not what you think it is. I think they sell this spoiler by itself for $300. It fits perfect. Okay, you're looking at that line on the edge of the trunk, and it actually fits beautiful, and it comes up. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Greddy makes one of these. It's like $2,600. I don't think this spoiler is as detailed as the Greddy or the Rocket Bunny, but it still looks good. I'm holding it with my hand so I can't back off, but I'm telling you right now, the rear spoiler is awesome. So the first thing you're gonna notice with this kit is how light it is. It's super thin, it's super light. So if you're one of those people that like gets triggered and pissed off when your cell phone case doesn't fit perfect, do not ever in a million years buy this kit. You are going to be so mad. Super duper thin. It's supposed to be that fiberglass reinforced plastic or something like that. Looks good on the outside, but it's super thin on the inside. And in case you have no idea, you can buy fiberglass and cloth, and you can thicken this up as thick as you want to, but typically you'll do about double this. So if you complain a lot and you're a perfectionist, do not buy this kit. You are going to go insane. And if you're paying somebody to fit this kit for you, good luck. You better have a lot of money in that bank. On your front fender, you can't run your emblem, and you can't run the marker light either. Okay, so this kit actually is going to overlap the bucket about right there. There's a couple of videos of people with these kits on YouTube, and there was one I was watching where the one video where the guy just took a saw and just started cutting the car. I was so triggered. I was like, what the hell is this guy doing? Just so you know, that Sharpie line is going to have to be cut out completely before you even start fitting that front piece. Okay, so the front bumper's hollow. Looks really good. We're not going to be able to fit this one up, but we can make this one work. And you notice it was cracked. We can fix that. So all that stuff looks cool, and I know we can make that work for sure. That piece is going to be difficult, but I know you can get that one to fit. The one that is going to leave you scratching your head is the back flare. Let's just get an idea. So this rear fender flare is not even going to make sense when you stick it up to the car. It's possibly going to have to be modified, heavily modified, to make it work. This one right here is the one that's going to piss you off. This piece doesn't even fit right. Okay, so on the back of the flare, before you can even start fitting it, you're going to have to cut your car out that much. And this car right here is not rusted out. Look, what the heck? It's got some little rust bubbles right there, but it is not rusted out right there. It's got a dent, not rusted out. What in the world? And you're also going to have issues with the spoiler figuring out how to mount it to the car. All the back bumpers, all that stuff is removed, and you're supposed to flatten that panel. You're going to have a lot of holes, a lot of fabrication, and a lot of body work right there, so be prepared for that. So there's no brackets in this kit, there's no bolts, no screws. You're gonna have to get creative, and you're gonna have to figure out, fabricate, make all kinds of stuff to get that front end on there working and that bumper. I'm telling you right now, if you're not a fabricator, welder with experience, and I mean actual fabrication experience, not just welding scraps together on a table, the body work it's going to take to make these fit on this car and look right is going to be close to expert body man. 95% of body men do not mess with stuff like this and have no idea how to even start this project. So be aware of that. So I just want to make this video, get that information out there so you don't have dreams about something that you're going to get one day. If you end up finally buying it, that dream can easily turn into your worst nightmare. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.